Now I'm standing on the top of the Chimney Rock on the mountain. It's because its rock is like a chimney. That's why it's called Chimney Rock. I'm the top of the mountain right now, and I can see the river is going there, and I can see the top other mountains. And I'm gonna show you the Chimney Rock village here. I can see in the bottom, and we came all the way from Asheville from here this road under the mountain, and basically there's another rock also on the top of this Chimney Rock where you can go by taking these steps. You can see people are going there, and you can come from the bottom all the way up by taking these steps. And but there's an elevator also that they make a drill in the mountain to put that elevator, and elevator is there also. You can take elevator, take a couple minutes, but the walk maybe 30 minutes.